Hi everyone, we'd like to take a look at the sensors that work with our WiNG Manager. Our full line of wireless sensors and WiNG's intuitive web interface help you monitor a facility for environmental changes. The insights you gain by investing in WiNG allows you to fine-tune your facility to ensure it's operating efficiently and as expected. WiNG sensors offer industry-leading features, including a battery life of up to 12 years, transmit distance up to 600 feet, or up to 1600 feet when paired with a range extender, and HTTPS TLS features to ensure your data is safe and secure. Since WiNG sensors are wireless, they're quick and easy to install and relocate as your monitoring needs change. Plus, they're small, so you can place them discreetly in your facility. WiNG T and TH and our Wi-Fi TH are our standalone temperature and temp humidity sensors. The Wi-Fi 1 wire uses a probe-style temperature sensor on a 25-foot leader cable. The WiNG Therm accepts a probe thermistor sensor so you can monitor environments that may be unfriendly to wireless transmission. Use the WiNG RTD in a remote location and then transmit that signal back to your VMS WiNG. The WiNG analog sensor converts a wired analog input into a wireless signal. Our WiNG DI accepts a wired digital input configurable as normally open or normally closed. The WiNG LD and the Wi-Fi LD pair with the RLE's patented leak detection products to detect and report fluid leaks quickly. WiNG Air allows you to monitor air velocity to look for changes caused by impeded or stalled fans, or review for air leaks. Our WiNG DAP monitors differential air pressure in a variety of spaces. So with all these sensor options and more in development, it is hard to find something in your facility that the WiNG platform can't monitor wirelessly. To learn more about our WiNG products, visit our website.